NASA's Phoenix Mars lander, which launched in August of last year, is scheduled to touch down on the Red Planet Sunday, May 25th. In order to land, Phoenix will have to go through a challenging landing sequence to slow itself down to 5 miles per hour in what NASA is referring to as 7 minutes of terror.
The main purpose of EDL is to take a spacecraft that is traveling at 12,500 miles an hour relative to the surface and bring it to a screeching halt in a soft way in a very short amount of time. So all that energy we put into a spacecraft to heave it off of Earth and take it somewhere else, we then have to take all that back out very quickly in order to gently set this thing down on the surface of another planet.
Even once it's landed, rocks on the ground may prevent the lander from doing its job. But NASA is using images from the High-Resolution Imaging Science Experiment, or HiRISE, to make sure the landing zone is as clear as possible. It will then begin testing Martian soil and ice, searching for hints of life on Mars.
We know that life needs 3 things to exist. It needs an energy source, like sunlight, it needs water, and it needs organic molecules. That's molecules that contain carbon, oxygen, hydrogen.
The Phoenix will use a 7.7-foot arm to take samples of the ice and the soil covering the ice. Instruments on the lander will analyze these samples. Scientists will be looking at the composition and texture of the soil above the ice to see if there's a cycle in which the ice melts. They'll also look for carbon-based chemicals that might support life. In 2002, the Mars Odyssey discovered ice just beneath the surface of the planet.
This was a huge discovery, and to me it represented an opportunity. 1, to understand the ice that is under the surface of Mars, and 2, to try and understand if perhaps this is a habitable zone.
Thanks to the Phoenix, evidence of life on Mars could be just months away.